I'd like to start off by saying thank you to my parents for picking my outfit for me. And I'd like to thank my nan for crowning me today. I'd like to thank all of you that voted for me. And I'd like to thank everybody for coming out here. And hope you have a wonderful day.
Right, brilliant. Now we're going to skip the song at the start to get some dancing underway. So we're going to start off with a playgroup dance. So they can quickly assemble.